Let's create an account on Cyfuture Cloud. First, go to the cyfuture.cloud website and click on Join Now. You can enter your information details and choose a password or sign up using your Google or GitHub accounts. Once you click on Register, you will receive an OTP on the phone number you just provided. Enter the OTP and click on Register again. You will need to verify your KYC by entering your Aadhaar card number. You will receive another OTP on the number linked with your Aadhaar card. Enter the OTP and click Register. You will be redirected to the Welcome page, where you have an option to either sign up for our Light Cloud or the Enterprise Cloud. Select Enterprise Cloud for now. You will be redirected to the Manage Cyfuture Cloud area. Now you will need to activate your account before you can use it. Check your registered mail for an activation code and verify it here. Enter your details once again and click on Save. Now your account is active. Click on the Services menu to list your services. As you can see, there are no services right now. Let's order a new service. Click on Order from the top panel. You can select any service from the options available. Select the product and provide a name for your organization and provide the remaining details. Review your order summary and client information before making payments. Accept the service contract and privacy policy and click on Checkout. Read the contracts before proceeding. You can also download them as PDF files. Acknowledge the check and click on Accept. Your order invoice will be shown. You can download it if you want. Click on Pay Now to proceed to payment. Select your payment method and click on Pay Now. You will be redirected to the payment screen. After you have made the payment, you can check your Services menu to list your newly ordered service. It takes a few minutes for your service to activate. As you can see, our service is active. Click on the service to list details. You can click on the Login to Cloud Console to access your control panel. Use the mentioned URL, username and password to access your control panel. Now you have successfully created your account in Cyfuture Enterprise Cloud and ordered a service. Thank you for choosing Cyfuture Cloud.